It doesn't matter if you're sipping on city water in your condo or filling your water bottle with well water, drinking tap water can often come with a flat taste or chlorine smell that makes it undesirable to guzzle down those 8 glasses a day. Under-sink water filters are easy to install right in your own kitchen and are designed to filter out impurities from the water supply to provide higher quality tap water. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 under-sink water filters on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. iSpring RCC7AK Drinking Water Filter. If you've spent way more than you'd like to admit on bottled water over the past year, you'll want to look closely at the iSpring 6-stage reverse osmosis under-sink system, which softens hard water. This handy under-sink water filter is designed to make your water taste as pure as possible thanks to the filter that restores healthy minerals and a natural alkaline balance, which, in turn, results in a better taste. It also removes sediments like dust and sand, as well as chlorine and fluoride. Although this water filtration system is rather big and complicated looking, it's surprisingly easy to install in one go. The brand has a YouTube channel dedicated to making the DIY process as pain-free as possible, and there's also lifetime technical support available to customers. You just may need it, as the filter replacement process can be tricky. Product details: type, reverse osmosis, lifetime capacity, 75 gallons. Number 2. WaterDrop 15 UB UF 0.01M Ultra Filtration. The WaterDrop filtration under-sink water filter system is the best under-sink water filter for small spaces. An ultra-compact and convenient system, it won't take up all the real estate underneath your kitchen sink. The multi-step filter works by removing large particles, including dirt, sediment, and dust. From there, it removes chlorine, chloramines, and chemicals, and neutralizes odors and taste for bottle-worthy water. Note that this option should only be connected to a cold water supply, and while the initial installation process can be a bit of a pain, it's super easy to maintain. The replaceable filter can last up to 24 months. Most importantly, the activated carbon filter is made from coconut shells, so bear this in mind if anyone in your home has an allergy. Product details: type, carbon, lifetime capacity, 1,600 gallons, flow rate, 0.7 gallons/minute. Number 3. Aquasana 3-stage under-sink water filter system. The Aquasana 3-stage under-sink water filter system is one of the best under-sink water filter systems money can buy. Not only is it pretty affordable, but it's also easy to install. It provides comprehensive water filtration using a 3-stage process that helps eliminate sediment, dirt, rust, and heavy metals, such as lead, copper, and mercury. It also removes contaminants that can affect the taste and odor of your water, such as chlorine and chloramines, which makes it great for both city dwellers and those living in the country. The system is also long-lasting. It's designed to filter up to 1 million gallons of water, which is more than enough to serve a family of 4 for up to 5 years. We also like that this option is NSF certified, which means it has been tested against the highest standards for water filtration. Be aware that it's about 1 foot long, which does take up a decent amount of space under your sink. Number 4. Brondell H2O Plus UC 300 Water Filtration System. The Brondell Coral 3-stage under-counter water filtration system is a standout option when it comes to the best under-sink water filter for anyone worried about sediment or minerals that can sometimes wind up in well water, impacting the taste and texture. The carbon block system is designed to reduce lead by 99% and also minimize more than 60 other common water contaminants. The 3-stage filtration system is surprisingly compact, while the impressive 1-year filter life means you won't have to play around with the replacement filters all that often. We also like that this option comes with a 1-year warranty, which gives you enough time to feel it out without getting stuck with a subpar system, but we wish the included faucet came in stainless steel to match more kitchen fixtures and appliances. Product details: type, carbon, lifetime capacity, 600 gallons, flow rate, 0.5 gallons per minute. Number 5. GE Single-Stage Under-Sink Water Filter System. Looking for the best under-sink water filter that'll help improve taste and odor but won't cost hundreds of dollars? You'll want to consider the GE Single-Stage Filtration System. This budget-friendly pick filters out 99% of the lead from your drinking water as well as select pharmaceuticals, select VOCs, potentially harmful chemicals known as volatile organic compounds, and chlorine. The single-stage filtration system is also quite compact, which makes it a great alternative for those with minimal space underneath the sink. See city apartments. The system uses a simple twist mechanism that makes replacing the filter easy and stress-free. We also like that this option indicates when the filter needs to be changed on the display, taking away the guesswork. Keep in mind that the installation process can be tricky at first and might require some additional effort on your end, since the instruction manual isn't very descriptive. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.